Together, we saved just under 15 tonnes of good quality building products from landfill. That's the same weight as a herd of 30 milking cows. Thanks to the generous businesses who donated their products, $11,170 was raised for Cambridge East School. A massive crowd of Cambridge locals came out to grab a bargain for their home DIY project. All the building materials on sale were destined for the dump, but were instead donated by Waipa companies to the Great DIY Garage Sale. Toilets, basins, nails, door handles, insulation, gibboard and paint were snapped up by keen DIYers. A successful community project delivered in collaboration with Rob May Builders, Waipa District Council and Cambridge East School. A huge thank you to everyone who came, and here's to bigger and better next year. See you there.